Want to set up a monthly budget in Google Sheets that updates automatically? Today, I'll show you exactly how. And I've even got a free starter template you can download to make it easier. Hi, welcome to Marchborn's DIY Tutorials. We design ready-to-use Excel and Google Sheets templates that save you hours of work. In this video, we'll build a simple but powerful budget tracker, step by step. Let's dive in. First, remove the grid lines for a cleaner look. Go to the View menu, select Show, and uncheck grid lines. Now, we have a blank sheet to work with. Step 1. Set up the budget categories. We'll make tables for income, expenses, bills and subscriptions, debts and savings and investments. Each table will include name, budget amount, and actual amount. Let's start with the income summary table. In cell B19, merge 3 columns and 2 rows and type income summary. Below it, add name or category, budget amount, and actual amount. Leave some rows for multiple incomes. At the bottom, create a total income row. Next, create a savings summary table the same way, and add total at the bottom. Then, make an expense summary table. This one needs 4 columns: name, budget, actual, and left. Merge the F to I column and write expense summary, and the down write name, budget, actual, and left. The left column shows how much remains after spending. This helps you track overspending or savings each month. Add totals at the bottom. Repeat the same income summary steps for bills and subscriptions. Copy-paste the income summary table and paste here, and write total column at the bottom. Then copy that table and rename it Debt Summary. Now the layout is ready. Let's add some colors and borders to make it clean and professional. To add the colors, go to Fill option here and select the color from this, or you can enter hex code here to add your colors. I have already pre-added some colors here. To add borders, go to Border and select the color from here. And then select Area for Border and add border. Now let me add colors and borders for other tables also. Next, we'll create the expense tracker table. This is where you'll log daily spending. Merge columns B to M and title it Expense Tracker. In column B, add date. Merge C to E for budget name. Merge F and G for amount. And merge the rest for description. Add colors and borders to match the theme. For the date column, go to Insert, then drop down and choose Is Valid Date. This gives you a calendar pop-up. For the budget name column, again use Insert, then drop down and select Data from Range. Choose your expense names so they appear as drop-down options. Now, connect the tracker with the summary tables. In the actual amount column of the expense summary, type a SUMIF formula to pull totals from the tracker. Write equal to SUMIF, then select the criteria range, which is budget name from expense tracker, select the criteria, which is budget name, and last select the sum range, which is amount column of expense tracker. Drag it down to apply to all expense names. Add a sum formula for totals. In the left column, use an if formula. If no data is entered, it stays blank. Otherwise, it subtracts budget minus actual. Repeat sum formula for income, savings, bills, and debts. Now all tables update automatically. Above the tables, create a financial summary table. Add columns for name, budget, and actual. List rollover, income, expense, bills and subscriptions, debts, savings and investments, and left. Link each category to their totals using simple equals formulas. For left, use this formula: rollover plus income, minus expenses, minus bills, minus debts, minus savings. Copy this for the actual column as well. Before adding charts, let's add some examples to the template. Finally, add charts. A financial summary chart, a spending overview chart, and an expense breakdown chart. At the very top, add a title with a month and year and a subtitle, Monthly Budget Dashboard. This concludes our tutorial. If you want this exact sheet already set up with formulas and a dashboard, subscribe to get your freebie copy from our website. You'll get your own ready-to-use budget planner and can start budgeting right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel and Google Sheets tutorials. And let me know in the comments what tool you'd like me to cover next.